Okay, let's draw it, the different notes by its measure and according to its time signature. So there are 7 plain measure. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So now we will draw the notes within the first measure. Okay. In the fifth measure is there is quarter note. That's an eighth note, and in numbers in measure 6 there is 3 quarter note. In measure number 7 there is quarter note, quarter rest, and 2 eighth note. So next there is 3 quarter note. Next is 1 quarter note, rest, and 2 eighth note. This one will be the same with number 7. This one will be the same with number 3, and number 13 with measure 13 will be the same with 7, number 7. And lastly, there is half dotted note and half dotted note. Okay, now let's transcribe it to the stick notation. So which will be presented by Ariel.
Okay, and now let's move on to the transcription of stick notation. Let's transcribe the notes that are in the song of Harana Samkhit according to the time signature on its measure. But first, this one is the half rest. By transcribing it and converting it into the stick notation, we will just copy it. The half rest. And next, this one is the quarter notes. Quarter note. And let's transcribe it into stick notation. We will just put in one stick. And then next one is the eighth note. And let's transcribe it into just one stick and vertical, horizontal. Just put a line above the stick. Okay, next is the quarter rest. And transcribe it, just copy the. Okay, let's transcribe 3 quarter note and just put 3 sticks. Okay, next. Okay, in the third measure, there is a quarter note dotted note. Okay, we just put, I will just tuck it. Okay. And next, there is the 8th note. We just put that just like this and 1 quarter note. This one. Okay, next, the fourth measure. There is 1 quarter note, 1 quarter note, and okay, 3 quarter note. Just put 3 sticks. And next, there is 1 quarter note, 1 quarter note, and then 1 quarter rest. Just copy the 1 quarter rest. And the next is the 2 8 note, and it's connected, so it's equal to 1 beat. So this one, 1 beat, 1/2 beats, and 1/2 beat is equal to 1 beat. Okay, so next into the 6th measure. Okay, there are also, it's the same with the second and the fourth. 3 quarter note. Then in 7, it's the same with the same with 1 2 3 4 5. 5th measure. Copy it. Okay, next is the 8th note. The same with the second measure and fourth. 9. The same with the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. And 10. A quarter dotted note. And 8th note. The same with the third measure. The next is the 11th measure. 11th measure. The same with this one. Next, go to 12. It's the same with this one. Okay, and let's go to 13. 13 is quarter note, and then copy the quarter rest and the 2 8 note. And let's put 3 quarter notes, 3 sticks, and then it's the same with this. The 2 8 note. And then let's move to 16 and 17. 16 is there are 3 quarter notes. Just put 3 sticks, and last is the half dotted note and just copy. Okay, this is the transcription converter. It converts.
Now, we will interpret the written into beats. So first, I will introduce you the different beat and its equivalent. So the one beat is equivalent to ta. The 2 beat is equivalent to ta also, but with h. So the 1/2 beat is equivalent to of rest is 1 beat. So the equivalent of 1 beat is ta, so we'll put ta. In 8 note, the equivalent of 8 note is 1/2 beat, so we'll put ti, ti. And second measure, since it is all quarter note, and the equivalent of quarter note is 1 beat, and in the rhythmic syllable, the 1 beat is ta, so we'll put ta, ta, ta. In third measure, it has quarter dotted note and 8 note, since the equivalent of quarter note is 1 beat, and since it is a dotted note, so it will become 1/2. So we will put I know. So in third measure, it has quarter dotted note, 8 note, and quarter note, so we will put time. By the way, it's called time because it is 1/2 beat of quarter dotted note. And 8 note is equivalent to 8. And quarter note is equivalent to ta. In the fourth measure, it is the same in the second measure, so we'll just copy. In the fifth measure, it has quarter note, rest, and 8 note, so we'll put ta. Since it is rest, we will put and 8 note, B and D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the sixth measure, it is the same in the second and the fourth measure, so we'll just copy. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the seventh measure, since it is the same in the fourth measure, fifth measure, by the way, we just copy it. Ta and T. In the eighth measure, since it's the same in the second and the fourth, we'll just copy also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the ninth measure, since it's the same with this, we will just put ta and T. In this measure, we will copy it in the third measure since it is the same. Time, since it is 1/2 beat of quarter dotted note, T and ta. In this measure, we will just also copy the measure with this one since it is the same. Ta and T. In this measure, it has quarter dotted note, 8 note, and half a note. Quarter note, so we will put time, T, and ta. In this measure, has quarter note, rest, and 8 note, we will put ta. Since it is equivalent to 1 beat, since rest, and T and T, since it is 1 beat. In this measure, it's the same in the second measure. As you can see, 3 lines. So we'll put ta, and ta. In this measure, it is the same in this beat. As you can see, so we'll put ta and T and T. And the second to the last measure, it has 3 lines. So we'll just put ta, and ta. And in the last measure, so rather than 2 beats, since it is a half dotted note, so the equivalent of half dotted note is 3 beats. So we will put ta with double H. So we will now interpret it into Tagalog beats. So ti ta 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 ti ta 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 ti ta 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 ti ta 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 ti time walang gitara, maski na dila ko, makita ko lamang ang dalaga ninyo. So, conduct the lyrics by conducting the meter. So, tao po, may bahay, mabagsik ang aso, buksan ang bintana, kayo magpadampo, kung walang gitara, maski na bila ko, makita ko lamang ang dalaga ninyo.
So now, let's move on to melody. And first, let's identify what are the syllables are there in the song Harana sa Bukid. But first, let's draw a star. This one, this star. First, let's have there do, re. This one is the first, which is the ledger line. First page is re. First line is mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. This one. And now, let's move on and let's identify what are the syllables are there in the song Harana sa Bukid. So, first one, this, so. So, na siya sa second line. So, this one, the ta is so. It's the same from the first and the second. The next one, so, la, ti, do. Na siya sa ikatulong nga space, which is so, la, ti, do. This is do. Next one, do, ti. Balik siya, do. Then this one is do, ti. And next is so. So. And last. And next. La. Ti. La. So. And there is a rest. And next is mi. Fa. And so. La. So, next is do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, fa. This is fa, do, re, re. Next, re, mi. And next, mi, fa. So, next is, may tawag siya. So, do, re, mi, fa. Mi. So, it's the same. And next, so, la, ti, do. It's do, higher re, back to do. The next is, next meter. So, la, ti. Next is, so, la, ti. This one is ti, di, la. So back to the ti, so, la. Next is so, do, re, mi. Mi. And this one, mi, fa. So, la. And back to so. Okay, understand? Do, re, mi, fa. Okay. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. This one is ti, the same, ti, and then next is ti again, ti, so, la. This one is la. Next is la, ti, back to ti. And last one is so, la, ti, do. This one is the higher do. Okay, these are the sofa syllables and they're in the song Harana sa Bukid. And now, let's read the sofa syllables while tapping the beat to the rhythm. I will do it first and then after we will do it together. Okay, it goes like this. So, do, ti, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, so, do, ri, so, la, ti, la, so, so, ready, sing. So, do, ti, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, so, do, ti, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, ti, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, very good. And now, let's read the sofa syllables while conducting. It's the same. I will do it first, and then after we will do it together. It goes like this. So, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, so, do, re, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, we will sing it together now. Okay, so, ready, go. So, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, so, do, re, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, very good. And now, let's sing the sofa syllables without the rhythm. It's the same. I will do it first, and then after, we will do it again. Okay, it goes like this. So, do, ti, so, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, ma, fa, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, so, do, re, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, we'll sing it together. Ready, go. So, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, so, do, re, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, very good.
So now let's continue. We will sing again the sofa syllables of the song. So, do, ready, sing. So, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, so, do, re, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, so, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, ti, la, ti, do. And now let's replace the sofa syllables into a words of a song. So let me sing first, and after me, we'll sing all together. Tao po may bahay, magsik ang kaso, buksan ang bintana, tayo magkandamo. Kung walang gitara, mas kinabinao, makita ko lamang ang galaban ninyo. Okay, let's sing all together!
Tao po may bahay, mabagsik ang aso, buksan ang bintana, tayo makakanda mo. Kung walang gitara, mas kinakilao, makita ko lamang ang dalaga ninyo.
Wow, very good. And now, let's sing the words to the rhythm while conducting. Tao po may bahay, magsik ang aso, buksan ang bintana, tayo